Planet Earth is the only planet of the solar system on which life exists. It is a terrestrial planet rather than gaseous like other planets. 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by salty water bodies known as oceans. On the surface of the continents, various countries are located. Let us study about the locational settings of India. The mainland of India extends from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south and Arunachal Pradesh in the east to Gujarat in the west. The mainland extends between latitude 8.4 degrees north and 37.6 degrees north and longitudes 68.7 degrees east and 97.25 degrees east. Our southern boundary extends up to 6.45 degrees north latitude in the Bay of Bengal. If we mathematically calculate the difference in latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India, it comes out to be around 30 degrees. Whereas the ground distance measured from north to south extremity is 3,214 kilometers and that from east to west is only 2,933 kilometers. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into two parts from almost the center. The southern part of the country lies within the tropical zone, that is, between 0 equator to 23.5 degree north. The northern part lies in the subtropical zone or the warm temperate zone. From the values of longitude, it is quite discernible that there is a variation of nearly 30 degrees, which causes a time difference of nearly 2 hours between the easternmost and the westernmost part of the country. The difference in time is calculated in the following way. The time taken by sun to cross one longitude is 4 minutes. Difference in longitudinal extent 97 degrees minus 67 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. Thus, 30 into 4 is equal to 120 minutes divided by 60 to convert into hours is equal to 2 hours. While the sun rises in the easternmost state about 2 hours earlier as compared to the westernmost limit. Therefore, in order to avoid the difference in time, 82.30 degrees east has been selected as the standard meridian of India, which passes almost from the center of longitudinal extent. The size of India has empowered her with great physical diversity. India's geographical area is about 3.29 million square kilometers, which is marked by the existence of lofty mountains in the north, large river valleys and plains, desert region in the west, and then the central peninsular plateau region surrounded by water bodies. The Himalayas in the north act as a climatic barrier by restricting movement of monsoonal winds and force them to shower rains in Indian subcontinent on the one hand, and on the other hand it restricts the chilled Central Asian winds to enter India from the north. 3 water bodies, namely Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal, engulf the southern region and make it a peninsula, thus providing the coastline of 6,100 kilometers in the mainland and 7,517 kilometers. Considering the island groups Andaman and Nicobar located in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea. Examine the location map of India. You will notice that India is located in the southern central part of Asia, bordering the Indian Ocean and its 2 arms extending in the form of Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea. This location allows India to play a key role in the maritime trade since ancient periods. The neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. India has a political, economic, social and cultural relationship with all its neighboring countries and is acting as big brother for rest of the South Asian countries.